Ha? 30?
Yeah.
Na walk?
Congrats, Labs.
$20. Thank you so much.
Hi guys! I'm Colleen and welcome again to my channel. Gusto ko tong angle na to pero wala akong patungan. For this vlog, we will be staying dito sa San Diego, California. Ang ganda doon, wait. Ang bilis na naman niya ma-distract, diba? Tingnan mo.
Are you ready, Labs?
Yeah, I'm just vlogging.
Ang ganda. Ay, ang sarap talaga.
Ay, we.
Libat na tayo dito next.
Labsy is here na. Yeah, so he went out for a run. He went out for a quick run while I prepare. Meron kaming dinner reservation tonight. We got here kaninang 4 p.m. and it's already 7 p.m. Tapos, ang ganda pa rin ng araw. Kasi ang sunset today ay 7:50 or almost 8 p.m. na. Okay, again, we are here in San Diego, California and we will stay here for the next 3 days kasi marathon day na nilalab. Pero in 3 days pa yon. Tapos ako meron akong 5K run in 2 days. Tomorrow, May 29, free day namin yon. Pero mag-claim kami ng bib bukas. Gumawa ako ng schedule namin pero hindi full pack kasi nga hindi naman kami nandito for vacation or tour so kailangan namin ng rest, especially si Lalab. Lalab is doing his very first marathon. I'm so excited for him kasi he's been preparing simula nung February. Yeah, wala pa ako dito, nagpe-prepare na siya. Actually, itong vlog na to will be more on food trip kasi wala naman kaming pangluto dito so puro eat out yung gagawin namin and si Labsy kailangan niya din mag-carb load. Dumaan kami ng Whole Foods kanina. Itong isang bag, tubig lang yung laman. And then, snacks. Saging, bagel, instant oatmeal, blue corn tortilla chips. I wanna try yung Olipop, strawberry, vanilla, and peaches and cream. Para meron akong soda dito. So, 3 weeks ago, nasa Orange County kami. Last week, nag-staycation kami. Mauuna ko yun i-upload, pero currently, right now, hindi ko pa yun na-edit. Kasi wala pa nga isang linggo eh. Saturday, Sunday lang yun. Tapos today is Thursday. Medyo full-packed itong month na to. Medyo nakakapagod, no? But, yeah, grateful naman na nakakagawa ng ganitong memories. Anyway, liligpit ko na tong mga to. Tapos, kailangan na rin naming umalis ni Labsy kasi 7:45 yung reservation and it is 7:07 na. And that's 20 minutes away pa yung restaurant. Hinintay ko lang si Labsy tapos punta na tayo. Check tayo ng weather. 63 here in La Jolla. Tolerable pa. This is our hotel, by the way. Hyatt Regency.
At the next light, turn left.
Oh, hi, dog! Hi, Lola Bugs! Oh, meron ng husky dito. Meron akong nakitang husky once sa Arizona. Pero naka-semi-kalbo
Turn
siya.
left onto La
So,
Jolla Village
mainit
Drive.
doon.
Welcome to La Jolla, California.
Malamig pala pag walang jacket. Ito sa side. Wait lang, ang lamig. Gusto kong i-pull off yung nasa shoulder ko lang yung jacket pero nalaglag. Ang lamig siya. Should be this. Yeah, it's so cold. Ang daming shops dito. Oh, look. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. So cold. Here, loves. Thank you.
Just this one, the basil pesto.
The tagliatelle?
Yeah.
You don't know how to sound like
Yeah, that's why I just pointed at it.
that's the way to do it. I'll look silly.
Smart guy.
Cheers.
It's alcoholic. Chocolate?
I thought it's like a
A shot?
Sabi niya kasi to help with digestion. So I thought it's like a, you know, the shot that everyone takes.
I have a question. What's this one again?
Limoncello.
Oh, limoncello?
Yeah, so you can get that in Italy, but we make it here. You can get it in lots of different places, but it's definitely like a dessert wine.
15 to 20%? Okay, so we are back here at the hotel and Labsy wanted to try the ping pong. Wait, is this ping pong or table tennis?
Okay, it could be ping pong, it could be table tennis. Whatever you want.
I don't know how to play Labs. And also, look what I have. I brought the 7 Sunday cereal because I love this. Galing pa to ng bahay.
There you go.
Papa and you loves doing this, right?
Also,
Also cats.
watch this, watch this.
By the way, it is already 9:38 p.m. And oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh wow, those are huge.
Okay, I need to be.
Okay, going up.
We'll just rub it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. How about beach chairs? Do you have that?
Oh, we have beach chairs up here, yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
2. Is it beautiful?
Exit
Yun
the
lang.
parking lot toward University Center Lane.
Patay mo na nga yan.
We know our way
Take the
here.
next right
he
onto
said.
Yeah. I used to live here. For like 24 hours. Man, it's a nice day, baby. Excited for Sunday.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. So today is our first full day here in San Diego and we're actually in La Jolla. So we're gonna go check out La Jolla Cove kung saan merong mga sea lion. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami sa Blue Whale. That is, I think, TikTok famous na breakfast spot. So we're gonna go there first and then check out the sea lion.
There are around 8,000 people who's gonna do the full marathon, and then 18,000 who will do the 5K, 10K, and the half.
Dang.
I think it's gonna be crowded.
It's nice here.
Yeah, it's like a small house.
Yeah. Okay,
We have a big breakfast.
let's go get some breakfast. We got our food. It's an American breakfast ulit. Toast, bacon. Ang dami nung egg. Tapos merong hash brown and some greens. Oh, and
Like a
avocado. Yeah, oh my gosh. And Lapsy got an ube pancake. Sarap, Labs.
Hot rock.
That's good. No? Oh, I forgot to ask for a picture sa'yo.
Oh, right now. Is it big?
So cute.
You're gonna.
$20.
Ang cute nila yung mga ano nasa gilid.
Yo. Yeah, diba? Yay! I like this, loves.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, time check. It is 9:18 in the morning. We're gonna go check out the sea lions. They're all leaving. Wee! Lilipat na sila. Sabi nila, ang dami namang tao dito. Nananahimik kami. Ang dami nila, oh. It's so nice na merong nagbabantay, no? Na nagma-maintain. Oh, wow! Ang sarap nga ng weather talaga, no? Hindi mo ramdam yung ganito kalamig pag nasa araw ka.
Yeah.
Pero dito sa lilim, like, nasa May 3 kami ngayon. Ang
We
lamig.
can see right there. It's kind of sunny.
Oh, nice tree. Look at that.
And also the smell, I don't know if you can
Huh?
hear
I can smell it.
So you don't want to hang out right
Maybe, yeah.
there? Okay.
There's a lot of birds there. But cute tree. Okay, we are down to our last itinerary for this morning. It is 10 a.m. We are driving papunta sa La Jolla Shores para mag-beach. So after mag-beach, magla-lunch pala kami sa The Taco Stand.
How kind.
We are here sa La Jolla Shores.
Yeah.
And we'll find a spot to like chill and maybe swim. The weather is so nice. Ang lalakas ng alon, pero again, I'm not sure about the temperature ng water. Feeling ko sobrang lamig ng tubig. Nararamdaman ko lang sa hangin. Oh, lamig. Oh, it's nice to like the back dito.
I feel hot and cold at the same time. The wind is cold, it's chilly, it's breezy, but the sun is hot. Well, how about you?
I feel nostalgic already for this is currently
The
happening.
present, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Is that even possible? Can you call a present moment nostalgic?
Maybe
Or
not.
maybe it's because of my shades.
Wow.
It's like brown.
Ah,
Is this the past?
like an old film. Mm-hmm. You are such. No.
Going to the beach.
Lamig ah.
Yeah, feeling ko nga sobrang lamig na. Okay. It's getting colder. Palapit dito. So, malapit naman tayo sa lifeguard. Andun yung
What the-
lifeguard. Sabi niya kasi, di ba, sa harap lang ng lifeguard.
No, I
So-
mean those people that has paddleboard.
Oh, I see.
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is cold. Parang nakaka-numb yung coldness, no?
Shit.
Parang hindi kayang dip. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang haba ng pila. This is our food. Mine is shrimp na burrito and Babsi ay yung famous California burrito.
Wag lang.
Hindi ba tayo baliktad? Ang sarap nito.
Yeah.
Is this more expensive, love?
Yeah.
Kasi may steak din pala eh. Ang sarap. Oh my God. Hindi ko ito mauubos. Pero ang sarap. Same steak. So masarap.
Ito ba yung pinakamahal?
Oh. Ang sarap nito. Ang sarap. Hi guys! Time check. It is already 7:43 p.m. So after namin mag-lunch kanina, 3 o'clock kami nakabalik dito sa hotel. Nag-shower lang kami, took a nap, and then pumunta na kami ng San Diego Convention Center to claim itong mga bib and damit. This is my shirt. Mauna ako bukas. Tapos si Labsi sa isang araw pa. So hiwala yung 5K at saka yung marathon. Tapos yung kay Labsi naman, long sleeves na merong hoodie. Sa afternoon, nag-dinner lang kami. We had Peruvian meals. And pwede palang buksan yung ilaw. Anyway, that's all for today. Kailangan na din namin mag-prep for sleep kasi ang wake-up time namin bukas ay 4:30 a.m. Kailangan na naming matulog. Good morning! So, it's 5:30 a.m. And we are on our way out for my 5K. Here's my spectator. 5K spectator. I haven't finished my makeup yet. So, I'm doing it dito. Medyo madilim pa ng konti. Pero nasa loob pa kasi kami ng parking. Nakakatawa tong salamin ni Labsi. Oh, mayroong pailaw. Di pa naman super behind kami ng time. Pero 20 minutes pa yung biyahe papunta sa parking. It's 5:30 now. Yeah. Exactly 5:30. And ang start talaga ng 5K ay 7 pa naman. So, we are here at the parking. At sobrang luwag pa. Like, wala pa halos talagang tao.
Lululemon sponsoring the
Oliver's ready. All right. For round number 3, are you ready?
6. Okay, so you're with the
Put your hands up. Yeah, clap, clap.
full Kylie cuts. Don't worry about this one right here.
Let's go. Let's go. Lapit na, loves. Slow jog, slow jog. Come on, sabayan mo ako. Ako sa'yo, loves. Kaya lang, slow jog.
Thank you so much! Oh my God.
Nice one. Congrats, loves.
Done! Cutie medal. So, pabalik na kami ng sasakyan. Ayun na nga, lab. Kanina, di ba kakastart lang? Tapos, merong mga, parang 3 lalaki, no? Naka-suit and tie sila.
Yeah. Kita ko ngayon.
We're late, sabi nila.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yun yung pinaka ano
Excuse me,
nila.
we're late, sabi nila.
Yun yung pinaka
Fun.
yeah.
Alam mo, medyo may konting pressure nga. Sabi ko may camera, ay nahabol ako nilalab. Gusto ko lang magpapagal. May camera.
Pati better pala, na hinahabol kita ng camera. Medyo matagal din yun ha, baka 1 minute din yun eh.
Sabi ko mahabol sila. Oo. Ipagod na ako. Sarap ng weather, love.
Oo nga.
Okay, quick update. This is us at 5 p.m. At you have to tell our future selves what you just said.
Sinitos niyo ako kanina.
What the hell?
So, you got something.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you. I didn't plan to like film right now because I'm so tired. Ito din yung nafe-feel ko after nung 5K namin 2 years ago kasi hindi naman talaga ako natakbo sis. But, sabi niya, ba't daw hindi ako nagvo-vlog? Eh, pupunta kami sa favorite place niya in the world.
It's worth vlogging.
Okay,
Yeah, we
let's
canceled
go.
our reservation sa Petrini's.
Which is
Italian restaurant.
Italian restaurant.
Nag-lunch kasi kami kanina sa Seafood City. Hindi ko alam na may Chowking doon. Nung pag-park ko, dito ako nag-park, may bandera ng Chowking sa tabi.
And he was like,
So we decided,
I'm gonna cancel our reservation.
what's the deal?
Oh, this is mine? Ang dami! Chicken, salt and pepper pork. Hindi ko alam na may ganito. Ang dami. Tapos, siomai chow fan. And then, ano nga yan? Beef mami. Wonton mami. Let's eat! Good morning, guys. Time check. It is 4:42 a.m. This is our 4th and last day dito sa La Jolla. And today is Labs his marathon day. Hindi ko pa natapos yung makeup ko kasi nga mas maaga yung gun time nila lalapit ngayon. Sa akin kahapon ay 7 a.m. Pero today it's gonna be 6:15 a.m. And yung kinuha naming parking is 15 to 20 minute walk pa papunta sa starting line. So we need extra time. And dito ko na lang tatapusin yung makeup ko. This is what I'm wearing. Hindi na ako nakapag-fit check But yeah, I'm just waiting for Labsy. Meron siyang nakalimutan sa room. Yes, I'm gonna do my makeup now.
6 up and twins na eh.
Yeah, baka nga half marathon sila.
Hindi nga, kahit yung half marathon.
Okay.
6 up and twins din.
Bakit ka tayo nasa likod natin doon pumunta? Walking right now. Pupunta ng starting line. Ang ginaw for me. And my morning banana.
Good morning!
Morning. How many minutes?
30.
Huh?
30.
30?
Yeah.
Na walk?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's so friggin' cold. Daming tao. Same pala yung start ng half Mary at saka ng marathon.
Hindi pa nagsisimula 160 na heart rate ko.
Oh, sa 160.
Speed.
Look at that. Good morning. Buti na lang dito nakapila si Labsy. Dalawa lang siya na cubicle, pero ayun siya. Kanina pa yan sa ihingi. Let's go!
Run 21?
Really? Powered by Strawberry Banana. Daming tao.
Start over here.
Ayan, you can go there. Good luck, Hubs.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Call mo ako pagka ano ah.
Yeah. That is his coral.
Oh, the party is here. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a good one.
Labsy just started and merong app para makita kong nasan siya. Siyempre hindi ko siya maaabutan. Pero pupunta ako sa mile 11 to see him. So maglalakad ako for 22 minutes para abangan siya sa mile 11. So let us go.
Dreams. Are you living Joe? Are you living Joe dreams? Raise your hand if you living Joe dreams. Hey, you with the shoes. Are you living Joe dreams? Hey, you with the American flag. Are you living Joe dreams? I just wanna. Are you living Joe dreams?
Nandito si Labsy. Iikot pa siya dito. Ayan yung 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, pa dito siya. Tapos ako, abangan ko na siya somewhere here in mile 11 or 12. Walking to mile 11. And ang saya, ang daming tumatakbo. Sobrang dami. Kasi sabay yung marathon tsaka half marathon today. Yung kahapon, 5K. Nag-iisa lang. So, I need to like cross over there and I don't know how to. Maybe I'll run with them. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did it. Done. That was fun. Okay, let's go to maybe Dunkin na lang. Check ko kung malapit yun sa mile 11. Good luck! Good luck! Andito na ako sa Dunkin. Pero parang hindi sila dito dadaan. May mga sasakyan eh. Huh? I have my usual iced cappuccino with butter pecan swirl. And then, first time ko ito matatry. Sourdough na breakfast sandwich while waiting for Labsi. Nasa almost 4 miles na siya. There. So maglit ako sa CVS Pharmacy para kumuha ng panggawa ng placard. And maliit na lang yung meron, tapos crayons lang yung meron. Feeling ko naubos din kasi maraming bumili. So tinatanong ko sila Ate Dayan kung meron silang gustong ipalagay para, oh my gosh, kita ba yan, be? It's very wrong. I should have gotten a Sharpie. Pero kasi wala na nga. Ubus-ubus na. Puro highlighter lang. I'm so happy I got to mile 11 already. Yes.
I'm not Tico, but I love you.
I love you guys! I think he's Filipino. He said, go Tito OJ. Woohoo! Woohoo! Morning. There's Nancy. Woohoo! I made it. Good luck.
You're at Mount 20.
Okay. Bye.
The guy downtown because his buddy's moving and I could only get him.
Okay, the sun is out and I'm gonna find out kung nasang mile na ako. Siguro nasa mile 16 siya ngayon. Chinek ko kanina, pagbaba ko dito, 15 point something mile. And I'll see him sa mile 20. I'm almost there. Sa mile 21 pala ako pupunta. Tama ba? Okay, here's mile 21. I'm here and ang dami pang runners. Ito ang dalawa nating sign. This is from Katrina. And this is from me. Nahihilo na ako. Ang tagal ko naghintay dun sa Uber kasi nga sobrang traffic. Tas ang daming road closure on my way here. Sa may finish line. Medyo malayo pa ako doon. Maglalakad ako. So habang sa Uber, gumawa ako ng another banner for Labsi. Okay, hanapin ko na lang yung finish line. Sana maunahan ko siya doon. Parang mauuna pa siya eh. Okay, I'm almost at the finish line. And I'm looking for my husband. Wala ko masikita. OMG.
Neil Chang, Brock Hadley. There's a Neil. Countries represented.
See the bouncy car?
Okay, we are back na dito sa hotel. Parking, I know, na spectator yung role ko dito, Labs. Pero mas nahihilo at nanghihina ako ngayon. Wala na din kaming enough time. 12:30 na. Kailangan namin mag-check out ng 1. So, magmamadali lang kaming maliligo si Labsi. Ako, hindi ko alam kung makakahabol pa ako ng ligo. Pero yeah, kailangan namin kunin yung gamit. At umexit na. Magla-lunch kami pagka-check out. Tapos diretso biyahe na rin pabalik ng Arizona. Anyway, that is everything for this vlog. Again, thank you so much for watching. And we will see you again on the next vlog.
Rock and roll!
Woohoo! Congratulations, love.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.